The Typing Millionaire, a journey to making money from just typing. Welcome back, fellow dreamers, to our channel where we explore exciting ways to make money online. Today, we have a captivating story to share with you about how one ordinary individual transformed their life by simply typing. Get ready for an inspiring journey to becoming a typing millionaire. The beginning. Our story begins with Sarah, a young woman with a passion for words and a burning desire to escape the 9-to-5 grind. Sarah was always fascinated by the power of language and its ability to convey thoughts, emotions, and ideas. Little did she know that her talent for typing would soon become her ticket to financial freedom. The discovery. One day, while scrolling through the depths of the internet, Sarah stumbled upon a website that promised to pay people for their typing skills. Intrigued, she decided to give it a try. After signing up and completing a few typing tests, she was accepted into an exclusive program that connected her with clients in need of fast and accurate typists. The first gig. Sarah received her first gig, a transcription project for a popular podcast. She diligently listened to the audio and transcribed every single word, ensuring accuracy and attention to detail. The client was impressed by her professionalism and promptly paid her for the completed task. The growing reputation. Word spread like wildfire within the transcription community about Sarah's exceptional skills. More and more clients sought her out, providing her with a steady stream of projects. Sarah embraced each opportunity, building her reputation as a reliable and talented typist. Diversifying income. As Sarah's confidence grew, she began exploring other avenues to monetize her typing skills. She discovered freelance writing platforms and content mills, where she could craft articles, blog posts, and even ebooks for clients. By expanding her services, she multiplied her income streams and unlocked a world of possibilities. Scaling up. With her growing success, Sarah realized she needed to scale up her business. She started hiring a team of talented typists and writers, allowing her to take on more projects simultaneously. As the workload increased, so did her earnings, and she began to see the true potential of her typing empire. The Typing Millionaire. Through sheer determination and a relentless pursuit of her dreams, Sarah became what we now call the Typing Millionaire. Her passion for words and her ability to type quickly and accurately turned her into a self-made entrepreneur, living life on her terms and making a lucrative income from the comfort of her own home. Inspiring others. Inspired by her own success, Sarah started sharing her journey and tips on her own YouTube channel. She created engaging and informative videos on topics like typing techniques, freelancing platforms, and productivity hacks. Her content resonated with aspiring typists and writers worldwide, and her channel quickly gained a loyal following. Building a community. As Sarah's channel grew, so did her community. Fellow typists and writers gathered to support and learn from each other, forming a vibrant and supportive online community. Sarah organized virtual workshops and Q&A sessions, providing mentorship and guidance to those who wished to follow in her footsteps. Giving back. Despite her incredible success, Sarah never forgot her humble beginnings. She established a scholarship program to help aspiring writers and typists pursue their dreams. By giving back to the community that supported her, she became a symbol of generosity and inspiration. Writing a book. As Sarah's influence grew, she realized that she had a wealth of knowledge and experiences to share. She decided to channel her expertise into writing a book about her journey from ordinary typist to typing millionaire. The book became a bestseller, inspiring countless individuals to believe in their own abilities and pursue their passions. Speaking engagements and workshops. With her book's success, Sarah began receiving invitations to speak at conferences and workshops around the world. She shared her story and strategies, captivating audiences with her authenticity and down-to-earth approach. People were eager to learn from the typing millionaire herself, and Sarah's speaking engagements became highly sought-after events. Creating an online course. Recognizing the demand for in-depth guidance, Sarah decided to create an online course, teaching aspiring typists and writers how to build their own successful online businesses. The course became a hit, with students praising Sarah's comprehensive curriculum and personal mentoring. Many of her students went on to achieve their own financial independence through typing. Expanding into digital products. Sarah's entrepreneurial spirit was unstoppable. She saw an opportunity to create and sell digital products related to typing and writing. From productivity tools and templates to e-books and video tutorials, her online store became a one-stop shop for individuals looking to enhance their typing skills and monetize their talents. Collaboration and partnerships. As Sarah's influence continued to grow, she caught the attention of major brands and companies within the typing and writing industry. She began collaborating with reputable companies on product launches and strategic partnerships, further solidifying her position as a leading authority in the field. These collaborations not only expanded her reach but also opened up new opportunities for her community. Living a life of freedom. Through her hard work and unwavering determination, Sarah achieved her dream of financial freedom. She no longer felt confined by traditional job structures and schedules. Instead, she embraced a flexible lifestyle, traveling the world while managing her thriving online business. Sarah's success became a testament to the power of turning one's passion into a profitable career. And there you have it, the extraordinary journey of Sarah, the typing millionaire. From her humble beginnings as a typist with a dream, she defied the odds and built a remarkable empire using nothing but her keyboard and determination. Remember, dear viewers, that no dream is too big and no talent is too small. The path to success may not always be easy, but with perseverance, anything is possible. If Sarah's story has inspired you to pursue your own passions and explore the world of making money through typing, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We'll continue to bring you more incredible stories and practical advice on achieving financial independence online. Until next time, keep typing away towards your dreams, my friends. Believe in your abilities, take that first step, and let your passion lead you to a life of fulfillment and success. Hope you enjoyed Sarah's journey, and if you want to know my #1 method of earning passive income online, click and register with the first link in the description section. Thank you, and we'll see you on the inside.